Today was a really rough day. It's really rough shit.
That we don't matter as much as the other frontline workers.
I just feel like there's only so much anyone can take. I'm tired of walking into rooms and your patient's dead. You just walk into a room and there's a dead body there.
I would like to begin by announcing some important developments in our war against the Chinese virus. That we totally protect our Asian American community in the United States.
Fellow nurses, and sisters and brothers.
Coronavirus has now also struck a Princess cruise ship with more than 3,700 passengers and crew on board. It's currently quarantined in the Japanese port of Yokohama. And earlier today, Princess Cruises confirmed an additional 66 cases from the ship, including 11 people that are from the United States. That brings the total number of cases from the ship to more than 130, with many having already left the ship for medical facilities.
Don't ask me, ask China that question, okay? When you ask them that question, you may get a very unusual answer. Yes, behind you, please.
Sir, why are you saying that to me specifically?
I'm telling you, I'm not saying it specifically to anybody. I'm saying it to anybody that would ask a nasty question like that.
That's not a nasty question.
Please go ahead.
It's unconstitutional. I don't have to fucking do it. I don't want to do it. I just want to shop.
Maybe it is unconstitutional.
It is.
I don't know.
I'm an American.
Don't buy into the media hype.
I don't have to do this shit.
Well, I really don't want to either, even though...
You guys are asking me to leave the store for not wearing a mask when I have a medical condition, even though yours is pulled under your nose.
There's a note that says...
I don't have to bring a note, and yours isn't even on. I don't have to bring a note. I don't have to bring a note. You're not even allowed to ask for it.
Just do your own thing.
Thank you.
Just do whatever you want to do.
It's America, right? I have a medical condition. I cannot wear a mask.
I have a medical condition. Don't buy into the media hype.
Are you going to put your hands on me?
I'm telling you to get out. You're
medical
a loser.
issues that I can't wear a mask. I refuse to put a mask on. I'm in a free country. All lives matter. My life matters. You think want me to drop dead wearing a goddamn mask? I want the manager. Disgusting.
In the meantime, thousands of people remain stuck at sea in Japan. The coronavirus that sickened passengers on a cruise ship a week ago remains in quarantine. Since then, the number of infected passengers has quadrupled, standing at 174 people now identified with the virus.
Joe, be careful for your freedom that's being taken away from you, because they're having Black Lives Matter. They're having Black Lives Matter protests. All lives matter. All our lives matter, not just black lives. And I'm not wearing a mask.
Feel the heat. Get that motherfucker, man. That building was just getting built. And that shit got burned down here now.
Today we found poor boy Bala, who invested his life savings in opening this sports bar, cleaning up. While our camera was there, looters came back to try to steal his safe.
Make themselves feel powerful.
We were getting ready to win this election. Frankly, we did win this election. As far as I'm concerned, we already have one. So I just want to thank you. And
now to the light at the end of the tunnel, the promise of a vaccine. Tonight, the nation's vaccine czar says the first Americans could get it in just 3 weeks. And in the meantime, a major step forward in treating COVID patients. The FDA greenlighting an antibody treatment from Regeneron that speeds up recovery.